Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to quickly see the features and changes of iOS 18 Beta 8 and iOS 18.1 Beta 3 that Apple have released a couple of days ago for both developers and public beta testers. When it comes to the 18 Beta 8 version, this is close to the release candidate version, where the next Beta 9 could be the release candidate, which will also be the stable version by the end of September or mid of September. Apple officially releases. After the announcement, we will see the details of announcement by 9th September. So in this Beta 8 version, Apple have done a lot of bug fixes and stability improvements. Still, I'm seeing poor battery performance on my iPhone 12 running iOS 18 Beta 8 version. Even without usage, the phone battery drain is a bit faster. That is all with the iOS 18. There are no new features and changes. Maybe Apple is saving for the release candidate version. But the actual feature additions happened is with the iOS 18.1 Beta 3, which is available only for the 15 Pro and Pro Max model. So here you can see that the cleanup tool is now available that Apple have demonstrated during the Apple Intelligence presentation, at the WWDC conference. So now you can remove people and objects from photos. And from my testing, what I understood was, like, with photos that I've taken outside in, with proper lighting conditions, object detection works much better, and it automatically selects certain objects whether you want to remove it or not. Otherwise, you can simply draw on the screen, selecting a particular object, and a glowing light appears where you're actually selecting. That will guide you, and based on the selection, it removes and adjusts the background, tries to recreate everything on the device. It is not uploading your photo to cloud and doing the processing. And as it is in very early beta stage, it also provides a feedback option where you can send a feedback whether this feature is working good or not, with the copy of attached photo, before modification and after modification, so that the Apple team can look at what can be improved and they can fine-tune the feature according to that. The second important feature addition is with the 18.1, notification summaries now works with all the applications that you have installed on your iPhone. So instead of showing all the individual notifications, when you have the summarize previews on, the Apple Intelligence takes control of it, and based on the content, the text and emails and any other third-party notifications that you receive, your lock screen notification will look a lot cleaner now. And previous beta 18.1 beta 2 required you to change the country and region of the device, but right now you can keep the region as with the country as you are in, and only you have to change the device language to English United States, and then change the Siri language to English United States in order to enable the Apple Intelligence and use it. But it is still not available in Europe and China. It's still unable to recognize most of the questions I ask, and it disconnects abruptly when I ask some questions and without providing me the answers. And sometimes the voice output doesn't work and it simply shows the text and then it shuts off automatically. The next important problem I noticed with the 18 and 18.1 is keyboard related bug. As you can see, emoji section, the emojis, some of the emojis are blank. I have sent a feedback to Apple, and some keys were stuck while typing in last beta, but Apple seems to have fixed the problem right now. If you're also a beta tester, do share your thoughts about iOS 18 in the comments. It could help others to decide to install it or not. You may subscribe if you like to hear about more of iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.